There's a place we know, full of smiles and laughter. So come on, everyone, it's time for some fun. Please, won't you stay?
Yeah, please stay.
I'm Hiccup. Ooh.
And I'm Sneeze.
With our friend Bibi, we have the best time on Hiccup and Sneeze. Hiccup and Sneeze. Hiccup and Sneeze. Hiccup and Sneeze. There's a place we know with lots of fun and games.
Yay, I love games.
Me too. So come on, everyone. It's time for some fun. So won't you play?
Yeah, let's play.
Hiccup and Sneeze. Hiccup and Sneeze. Hiccup and Sneeze. Hiccup and Sneeze.
Don't forget Ellard.
Another word for season.
Snap!
Why did you call Snap?
Because you put down a cow card, then I put down a cow card. They're the same, so I called Snap.
Season, 6 letters. S-P-R-I-N-G. Got the answer. Spring.
Spring. No!
You scared me. Look at all the cards.
We don't need to worry about the cards right now. We've got more important things to worry about.
We do?
What's the matter, Sneeze?
It's a disaster.
Huh?
What are you talking about?
Hiccup, we've forgotten something really important.
We have? What is it?
Spring, Hiccup.
Spring? Oh, no!
Why is it so bad that you've forgotten spring?
The Monster Spring Festival. It happens in spring.
The Monster Spring Festival? What is that?
You don't know what the Monster Spring Festival is?
How could you not know? Every monster knows what the Monster Spring Festival is.
Well, you do remember that I'm not a monster.
Oh, good point.
So, tell me more about the festival.
It's the best festival in the whole wide monster world. The Monster Spring Festival is all about celebrating the spring season.
There's singing and dancing and games and food. Monster pie.
Oh, and everything in the festival has to be red. Red is the lucky color for monsters.
That's right. Everything's as red as a shiny cherry.
Or as red as a strawberry.
Or as red as an apple.
Or as red as a tomato.
Okay, I get that it's red, but what else happens at the festival?
Well, it's even more fun than eating a jumbo scoop of chocolate chip ice cream on a really hot day.
Wow, that does sound like fun. But I still don't understand what the problem is.
Because it's over.
Yeah, the festival was last week.
Now it's gone.
Finished. Kaput.
Oh, that's too bad.
Yeah.
Well, hey, why don't we celebrate it at home?
Huh? What do you mean?
Well, just because you missed the real celebration, it doesn't mean you can't celebrate it now.
I guess that's true.
Yeah, we could show Bibi what the Monster Spring Festival is all about.
Yeah, we could teach Bibi something about the monster world for a change.
Well, I look forward to it.
Yeah! Monster Spring Festival, here we come!
I love to chat.
We love to chat.
We'll ask you a question.
And you tell us what you know. It's a big world out there, places we never go. So let's chat. What do you guys think of the color red?
That's one of my favorite colors.
Oh,
That's one of my favorite colors also.
Do you like the color red?
Yes.
Oh, why's that?
It seems happy.
What do you think of when I say red?
I think of there are roses in the garden, red roses.
What are some of the places where you can find the color red?
Maybe Chinatown during Chinese New Year.
Oh.
What food can you think of that's red in color?
Apples, tomatoes, cherries, and chili,
Oh, yeah.
capsicums, laksa.
Laksa. Whoa.
Laksa, the soup.
The soup, right.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
How can be red?
Now the sauce is red, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what is my favorite fruit?
I don't know.
Strawberry!
Mine too.
Yeah, we have so much in common.
Do you like the color red?
Yes.
How come?
Red represents fortune
Okay.
and good health,
Oh.
happiness, prosperity, and progress for our nation.
Wow! The Monster Spring Festival always starts out with something special. The Secret Monster Handshake.
Yay! I love doing the Secret Monster Handshake.
Okay, so what's a secret monster handshake?
It's a secret.
Well, then why do we need to do it?
I really don't know. It's just how we monsters do things.
Well, if it's a secret, then how am I supposed to learn?
That's a very good question, Sneeze. I need to talk to you for a second. Okay, we've decided.
Great, so what have you decided?
Well, the Secret Monster Handshake is a really big secret.
But since you're a really good friend of ours, we'll share the secret with you.
But only if you promise you won't repeat it to anyone else.
Okay, I promise.
Very good. I knew we could count on you. Okay, let's take it away.
Put your hand up high. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Put your hand down low. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle that body. Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Is that it?
No, we've just started.
Just started?
Now we have to do it again, faster this time. And you have to say it too, Bibi.
Okay.
Oh, don't forget the bit at the end, Sneeze.
Oh yeah, the bit at the end.
This should be interesting.
Put your hand up high. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Put your hand down low. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle that body. Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle.
I said wiggle.
I said wiggle. So, is that it? Ah, monsters.
For the next part of the Monster Spring Festival.
Singing a monster song. You'll love this song, Bibi. It's called Say Hello to Spring.
Ooh, the 9th verse is my all-time favorite.
9th verse? Just how long is this song anyway?
It's 15 verses, of course. No good monster song could have anything less than 10 verses.
I guess monsters really love to sing.
Monsters love to say hello, say hello, say hello. Monsters love to say hello, hello to spring.
Is that the first verse?
Oh, I thought it was. What do you think the first verse is?
Monster Festival is here, it is here, it is here. Monster Festival is here, it is spring.
No, I think you might be right.
Oh, but you might be right. Oh, but what about this verse? Monsters love to eat all day, eat all day, eat all day. Monsters love to eat all day, especially when it's spring.
Oh, yes! That's one of my favorite verses. But I don't think that's first.
Yeah, you could be right. What about... Monsters love to dance and sing, sing and dance, dance and sing. Monsters love to dance and sing, especially when it's spring. Monsters love to dance and sing, sing and dance,
take
dance
a
and
while.
sing. Monsters love to sing and sing, especially
You know,
when it's spring.
I've always wanted to try writing my own song. Maybe I could come up with my own version.
When it's spring.
Guys, can you just pause for a minute?
What is it, Bibi?
Yeah, we're in the middle of a very important singing here.
Well, I was thinking that since you guys can't decide on what you want for the first verse, that I could help out. I wrote my own version.
Oh, you did what?
Monster, 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 say hello, hello, hey, yeah, yeah. It's monster, monster, hello, hello, yeah. You don't like it?
That was interesting, Bibi. I'm not so sure it's gonna work, though.
Why not? 'Cause, I mean, all you need is say hello and monsters in the song.
But it has to be in the right order. It wouldn't be the Monster Spring Festival if we didn't sing Say Hello to Spring. Oh, wait, you were right, Hiccup. Say Hello to Spring is the first verse. Monsters love to say hello, say hello, say hello. Monsters love to say hello, hello to spring.
Great! Only 14 verses to go!
What was verse 2 again?
Now it really sounds like this is going to take a while.
Aloha, Picahunas! Don't you just love the color red? Of course you does. Lots of peoples around the world do. How could anyone not like red? For some people, red is the lucky color. My nose is red. So, do you know what that means? I have a lucky nose.
On the spot with Ellard.
My lucky nose has led me to one of the reddest, luckiest places in Singapore. Chinatown. In Chinatown, red means joy too. And during Chinese New Year, this place is very joyful and lucky. There are many red things. Even when it isn't Chinese New Year, there are lots of red things. These are red lanterns, because their color red is a sign of good luck and success. There are red clothes, a sign of love and victory. There are red glass chilies. Why they make red chilies out of glass? I don't know. You cannot eat them. But I know a lot of red food you can eat. Ah, yes, red fruits. They look delicious. Red must be a delicious color to eat, too. Everywhere you look, you will see the color red. I see red, I see red, I see red. Everywhere. Red also means pay attention. Red lights means stop. Good car. It stopped. There is a lucky red tradition in Chinese New Year because red is also the color of richness. So, red packets with money inside are given as gifts for happiness and good luck. Oh, well, too bad we don't have any packets, eh? Ah, Ellard is kidding the kidlings. Here you go. Very good. Oh, you dropped one. Okay. Gong Xi Fa Kai. So you see, all over the world, human peoples love the color red. Red means good energy, is happy, and is lucky. Bye from the lucky nose.
It's time to make it, shape it, create it.
Something amazing out of this world.
You can do it too. Time to make it, shape it, create it.
I'm hungry.
Ooh, me too. After all that singing for the Monster Spring Festival, I'm starving.
Oh, well, we did sing all 14 verses. Is food important for the Monster Spring Festival?
Food is always important to monsters, Bibi.
Well, I should have known that. So what kind of food would you guys like for our Monster Spring Festival?
Monster snacks!
Let's see. It looks like we've got plenty of food for a special spring snack.
Like a red snack? It has to be a red snack.
Absolutely. A special red snack. We've got cream cheese, crackers, lettuce, cherry tomatoes. We'll get some olives and chives. And, seaweed.
I wonder what that's going to be.
Now for some red fun. Here you go, a special red ladybug snack.
That's adorable!
More importantly, it looks super yummy.
A red ladybug snack for a Monster Spring Festival.
Oh, can we eat them now, please?
Or don't you want to save them for the party?
No, we can eat other red food for the party.
Okay, dig in.
Yay!
I love to chat.
We love to chat.
We'll ask you a question.
And you tell us what you know. It's a big world out there, places we never go. So let's chat.
Us monsters celebrate the Monster Spring Festival every year. What other festivals do you celebrate?
Chinese New Year, Christmas, Deepavali, Halloween. There's also a day called Easter. It's like you get special eggs, then you can paint them, but you have to disguise as an Easter bunny first.
Oh, that's your favorite festival then?
My favorite festival is Christmas, where you can receive lots and lots of presents.
Wow, that sounds really cool. You get presents?
And you can eat tons of food.
Yum.
What other festivals do you celebrate?
Deepavali?
Do you wear special clothes for this festival?
Yes, I do. I wear my traditional clothes. It's called the pavade.
Pavade. Is that right?
Yes.
I can speak Tamil.
Could you tell me more about your favorite festival?
My favorite festival is Chinese New Year because I usually get together with my cousins, and that's the time when everyone comes to my uncle's house and we celebrate.
And do you wear anything special on Chinese New Year?
Yes. Chinese cultures.
You wear Chinese clothes?
Yes.
What do they look like?
I wore this to the Chinese New Year party in my uncle's house.
Oh, it looks really nice. Did everyone like it?
Not really everyone. Some people say, why you wear like this one?
Oh. Well, why you wear like that one? I'm just teasing you. I think it looks great.
Thanks.
We need to teach Bibi the Monster Friendship Dance.
Oh yes, it's a very important part of the festival.
The Monster Friendship Dance? Oh, it sounds like fun.
It is, Bibi.
Oh, is it hard? I'm not very good at dancing.
It's simple. All the monsters can do this dance, so I'm sure you can do it too.
Well, I wouldn't count on it, but I'll try my best. All right, what have I got to do?
Oh, here, I'll show you.
Hands out. Take a bow. Hands up. Twist. Twist. Bow. Oh, I think I've got it.
Great. Why don't you give it a try?
Okay.
Hang on. I think you've got all the steps backwards.
Backwards? But I'm sure I put my hair flower on the right way this morning.
Hiccup, I think Sneeze is talking about the dance.
Oh.
That's right. You're doing the dance steps wrong. Here, let me show you.
Wait a minute. That's not the Spring Festival dance. That's the opposite Monster Day dance.
I'm pretty sure this is the Spring Festival dance.
It's not.
It's 2.
It's not.
It's 2.
Whoa, guys! I don't think the Spring Festival should be about arguing, should it?
No.
No.
But I'm sure I'm right.
Hiccup, can't we just make up our own dance?
What do you think, Hiccup?
But doing things properly is very important. But I guess today is our very own festival. So yes, let's do it!
Yay!
A 1, a 2, a 3.
Now that was fun.
Sure was.
I think we had enough dance practice for now.
You can say that again.
I think we've had enough dance practice for now.
Time to go change into our costumes.
Yeah.
Costumes? What costumes? No one said anything about costumes. What am I gonna wear? So what do you think of my outfit? Is it red enough?
Yeah.
And the decorations?
Great.
So what do we do now?
You know the Secret Monster Handshake
Uh-huh.
And the song.
Sort of.
and our very own special dance.
How could I forget?
Right. Now we do it all at once.
What?
Monster love to eat all day. Eat all day. Eat all day.
Wriggle,
Monster
hang
love
on
to
a
eat all day,
minute.
especially in the spring.
Wriggle,
Put your hand
wriggle,
up,
wriggle,
quick.
wriggle,
Wiggle,
wriggle,
put your hand
wriggle.
down low.
What?
What?
I thought the whole idea was to do it properly and in order.
Did we say that?
I sure never did. It doesn't really matter. Monster Spring Festival is just about having lots of fun with monster friends.
But I'm still not a monster.
Here you go, your very own monster ears.
Now you're a monster.
Thanks, guys.
This has been the best spring festival ever.
I hear you. Go Monster Spring Festival!
Let's party!
Wiggle.
Monster love to
Wiggle,
sing and
wiggle,
dance,
wiggle,
sing and dance,
wiggle,
sing and
wiggle,
dance.
wiggle,
Monster
wiggle,
love to sing and
wiggle,
dance,
wiggle,
spring.
We had some fun today with the things we did together.
La, 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 la.
We laughed and we played.
We're so glad you stayed.
Come see us again.
Yeah, come on. Hey. Hiccup and sneeze. Hiccup and sneeze. Hiccup and sneeze. Hiccup
Come see us again.
and sneeze.